Alright, so I got some downtime here. So I got the MICU from the Honda CRV that had the door lock issue. Somebody in the comments named Danbulance wanted to know if I can take it apart and see if I can find a fault internally. So I took out all the fuses because I'm going to save those. There was 2 screws on the back that I took apart. That one. I don't really see any other screws that, that I can see. I tried popping the sides off, but definitely not easy to take apart without breaking the case. So yeah, I'll bring you back once I take it apart and see how it goes. All right, so I got the bottom cover off. Here it is. Right. I think they're just clipped in by a bunch of clips all the way around, but I ended up breaking all those tabs trying to open this thing. Here's the circuit board. I don't think I see anything that stands out. That I notice. So yeah, there's one screw there, and I'm just gonna take those off and see. All right, so I gave up on taking the bottom part apart, and I looked at it a little differently. So what it looks like is they soldered these bottom pins, or from the bottom board to the top board. So it looks like what they want. When they manufactured it, it looks like they did it in layers. So I just basically chopped off all the those pins that go from the bottom board to the top board, right, on both sides, right, chop them up, and this board comes out. So if you were gonna repair this, you're basically desoldering all these pins, right, just to get this top board off. And just by looking at this board, it doesn't look like there's anything noticeable. Yeah, unless you have like a microscope, you can probably look in there closer, but I don't really see anything. So now, since I got that board off, there's a screw here. That's not a screw. Yeah, there's a screw there, and I think this little plastic cover should come off. I never actually took apart any of these, so I took those screws out, and this thing should come out. Right, and looks like you got your internal relays. I did have relays on the outside that I swapped over to the new one because it didn't come with it. But when you have like your, body control module or your under dash fuse box or stuff like that has internal relays, here they are. Right. So let's see what else I gotta take out next. I think that's about it. I don't know. I don't see anything burnt. Right? Like if it was shorted, it would be probably one of these pins for that door, passenger door switch, but I don't think I see anything. Right? Not that I know which pin it is. But yeah, let's see what I gotta do to take this board off. Actually, there's nothing there. That's it. You can actually just take this bottom board off, and then just looking at it, can't really see anything on this other side of this board. Nothing noticeable on the pins, right? Or these pins. Yeah, I don't see anything. Yeah, so this back side, all these little legs are just for your fuses. So let me show you. So if I were to install a fuse, so one side will go. So basically it goes like this. There's another leg, but it's in this part of the fuse box. And another layer, which I think is the supplied power. So all this is like, I guess, the power going in, and then power going out to from your fuse to whichever pin it goes to that it needs to supply power to. So that's pretty much it. That's just the other side of the pins on the fuse. So you see that you can see that on that side, but the other side is kind of gone. That's the other side. So yeah, I took it all apart. I don't really see anything wrong with it. So if you wanted to repair it, yeah, I don't know if it's worth it to try to repair it, because yeah, you got to desolder all these pins that go to the bottom board, and then lift it up. So pretty time consuming, I would assume. But anyways, just for you, Danbulance,